what is round robin. Each process gets a small unit of CPU time, that is time quantum. Usually we go for 10 to 100 milliseconds, minimum 10 and maximum 100 milliseconds. After this time has elapsed, the process is preempted and added to the end of the ready queue. I'll explain with an example here. See, these are the processes we have in the queue: P1, P2, P3, P4, and bus time is given for P1 as 53 slots, P2 17 slots, P3 68 slots, and P4 is 24 slots. And we go for example for time quantum 20 millisecond. In the explanation, it is given that we can go for a range between 10 to 100. If it is mentioned in the problem, then you have to take the same time quantum. Otherwise, you can assume any value starting from 10 maximum 100 millisecond. So here, what is it we'll do now? Each process we allocate this, whatever the time quantum is defined now, that will go on giving for each process the CPU time. First 10 slots, what is that example? I have taken 20 slots. First 20 slots for P1, then I will, at that particular instant, I'll postpone P1, then I'll continue with next process. That will continue. Shall we discuss here now with an example? So what's the time quantum? It is given as 20. Round robin means I will not complete P1 at a time. I will round around. I'll go with the next processor. I'll go with the next P2, then P3, then P4, so on. Again, one round I'll finish off. Again, I'll come back to P1 only after complete all the process. At least I will attend for a given period of time. Time quantum as 20 millisecond in this particular example. I'll try to attend all the process with this time, and whatever the remaining time, that I'll complete only after I'll finish the first round. Then if I may not be able to complete even in the second round. I keep on postponing whatever the number of rounds I require. That's the reason I will call it as round robin here. So we'll start P1 first at the 0th slot. What is the time slot I can go for? I can go for 20 slots. How much time I need to complete P1? I need 53 slots. So 53 minus 20. Remaining here is 33 slot is left out. That I will do it next time. Next round I will do that. So at the end of 20 slot of P1 is done. What is there in the next? What is there in the queue now? Next process is P2. I start P2. How much time I need? 17. Anyway, time 20 slot is given. I may not need 20 slot. Within that only I can complete 17 slots. So 20 plus 17 is how much? 37 slot. So I have done with P2 now. Next I'll go with P3 now. P3 68 slots to be completed, but I can give only 20 slots. So 37 plus 20 is how much? 57. And what is the remaining slot here? 68 minus 20 is 48 is remaining time for P3. Next I'll continue with P4. I need 24 slots, but I will give only 20 slots. 4 I will complete in the next round. So 57 plus 20 is 77 here. At the end of 77, I have done P4 with 20 slots. Remaining 4 slots I'll be doing in the next round. Next, one round I have done. Next I'll continue with the next round. Same P1 I'll start with, because P1 is not yet completed. What's the remaining time of P1? Out of 53 I have done with 20. So I have to complete a remaining 33 slots. I cannot complete all the 33. I will complete only 20 out of 33. So 77 plus 20 is how much? 97. So 20 you subtract from 33. 33 minus 20 is how much? 13 is left out. That I will be doing in the next round. So at end of 97 slot, I have done P1 with remaining slot of 13 slots. P2 I have already done because it was 17 slot, which was less than 20. So P2 not necessary to worry now. I'll continue with P3 now. P3, how much time you need? You have already done with 20 slots. You are supposed to complete 48. In that I will complete 20 slots. So 97 plus 20 is how much? 117. Here out of 48, I have done with 20. Now 28 is remaining. Fine. Here P4 I have left out with 4 slots. So I will continue at the 117 slot. So 117 plus 4 is 121. By this time I have finished with P4. So I have left out with P1 and P3. P1 how many slots? 13 slots is left out. 121 plus 13 is how much? 134. So at this time P1 is done. So I have left out with P3 now. P3 how much remaining? First time I have done 20 slots. Second time I have done 20. 20 plus 20, 40 I have done. So first time 20. 68 minus 20 it was 48. Second time 48 minus 20 it was 28. In that 28 slot I will complete first 20 slots. So 28 minus 20, remaining is 8 here. So 134 plus 20 here, 154. So what is the remaining slots here? 8 slots. And next you continue with P3 because no other process is remaining in the queue. So another 8 slots. I'll continue with P3. So 154 plus 8 is how much? 162. So at the end of 162 slot, I have completed all the process. So how many rounds you went for? First round P1, P2, P3, P4. Second round P1, P3, P4 I have done. Third round P1, P3, P3. So this is called